Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new today video. It's gonna be very special because I will talk about the next price target of Bitcoin. I will be taking a short position from this level, and of course my brother 71,594, and I was still holding my brother, and my target is my brother 61,800. Of course this was a crazy target, and of course it was look like my brother impossible, but definitely this was a possible. I will show you my brother, but right now absolutely I will do a very safe trading. Okay, so right now I was SL for the SL in a profit. Okay, if it will return, for example, definitely my SL hit. If it will pump, no problem. Okay, I don't care, just and only I will be my brothers possible to it will, you can see here it will crash down, so I will easily make 2000 to 3000% profit. It was a much crazy. Okay, and absolutely on Telegram I post the signals. Okay, so link is in the description. Join my Telegram group first of all. Okay guys, then I hope you will never miss my signal, or and you will be print money like machine. Okay, so link is in the description. Bitcoin, if you take a short position right now, it was a safe, but long is very risky. Okay, so be safe from long, and of course focus on short position right now. See you next time guys. Subscribe and join Telegram group for future trading signals.